Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica, and I'm going to show you how to make washi tape picture frames. These are fabulous. You're going to start off with washi tape, all different patterns and colors, and then you're going to need some picture frames that have a mat inside. Take one of the frames, flip it over, remove the backing, the glass, the little paper that comes inside of it. All you need is the mat and your washi tape. But wait, hold up. You know what else comes in handy? A ruler or a straight edge and a pencil, because before you start, you want to draw a guideline, a light, faint pencil mark that goes from corner to corner around the frame. That way your washi tape will line up perfectly once it's all done. I remembered this after I set down my first row of washi tape. I was really excited for this project. Okay, now when it comes to choosing which tapes to layer, I really like to go for different sizes and different colors and patterns. So I started with the wider one, and then I went with the skinny one, and then I used one that had a little bit of typography in it. So that way it's very pleasing to the eye because it's repetitive because of all of the straight lines of the tape, but it's still really cool to look at because there's just so much going on. Once you have your tape put down beyond the guidelines, use your ruler or your straight edge and a craft knife to very gently cut through the tape and remove it. And this way, all the sides will line up perfectly to the guidelines. It'll be perfectly mitered. Okay, what about the direction of the washi tape? A lot of them, it doesn't matter what direction, they work both ways. Some of them have little pictures like cacti or maybe words, so that is totally up to you. I just kind of did mine randomly, so no matter which way it's hung, it will make sense. However, if you have a specific picture that you're making this for, then you can plan it out the way that you want. Another thing is you can make these mats yourself out of cardstock and then use frames that you have already hung up that need a little bit of life to them. You could go to the thrift store, find some frames, and then maybe use recycled cracker boxes to make your mat. There's a lot of things you can do to recycle with this project. If you don't have washi tape, you could use strips of fabric, strips of paper. I have another tutorial on how to make your own washi tape from masking tape. I'll put the link here to that. But no matter what, it just offers a lot of creativity, a lot of opportunities for recycling, because you could even cut up magazines and it will look cool. It's just keeping that repetition of all of the rows of different patterns. You'll find that some washi tapes are not as sticky as others. If that's the case, you can use a glue stick to tack them down nice and secure. But once you are all done, it just looks so good. It all comes together. Look at those beautiful bright colors. The hardest part is choosing what to put back in the frame. So I just grabbed these pictures, put them in there so I can show them to you. And then I decided I love them so much, I put them for sale in my Crafty Chica store at craftychicastore.com. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this project. And don't forget to check out craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas. See you next time.